Hi, it's Mike from ClearBlue. Today we're going to show you how to install the Mineral Lion system on your above-ground pool filter. Inside the Mineral Lion kit, you'll find the Mineral Lion controller, the mineral cell, the plumbing hookup kit, and the copper test strips. You'll also need a slotted screwdriver and some Teflon tape to hook it up to your system. Your pool will come with a filter that looks similar to this. Along with all the hoses and fittings, you need to hook it up. The first thing you'll do is wrap Teflon tape around the threading on this 4-inch nipple that comes in the kit with the Mineral Lion. You need to wrap both ends of the threading. The wrapping should go clockwise, and you may need to wrap it several times to prevent leaking. Next, we're going to thread the nipple into the right-hand side of the T. Just screw it in until it's hand tight. On the filter head, look for the two ports labeled pump and return. Next, we're going to screw the other end of the nipple into the return port on the filter. Again, just until it's hand tight. Next, take the mineral cell and we're going to screw it into the bottom of the T. The mineral cell has no ring, so you don't need any Teflon tape. Again, you can just screw it in until it's hand tight. The bars should be oriented such that the water flows between them to make sure the two bars wear evenly. Next, grab the controller and we're going to plug the mineral cell into the receptacle at the bottom. Make sure that the plug is plugged in all the way so that it's flush with the controller. Next, we're going to take the two Velcro strips that came with the system and we're going to fasten it to the back of the controller, covering the screw mounts. Next, you'll need to fasten the return hose to the other side of the T. Inside the filter kit, you'll have this hose nozzle with threading on it. That threads into the other side of the T. Again, you want to put Teflon tape over top of the threads to prevent it from leaking. Just screw it in until it's hand tight. Then, take one of the longer hoses, put the hose clamp over it, and then just push it onto the nozzle. Push it on as far as you can, and then you just need to tighten down the hose clamp by hand, and then finish it off with the screwdriver. Next, you just take the other end of the hose and fasten it to your pool's return. Details of how to do that will be described in your pool's installation manual. With the Velcro fastened on the back of your controller, we're going to fasten the controller to the side of the pool. Just press it against the side of the pool and hold for 30 seconds. Then, the only thing left to do is to plug in the power and you're good to go. Setting up the controller is super easy. You'll need to know the volume of your pool in gallons or liters. Then, access the settings calculator from the QR code on the front of the controller. It'll give you a number between 0 and 99 based on your pool size to set the controller to. Then, use the up and down arrows to set the controller to the appropriate number. When you access the QR code, there's also a place to register your warranty. Make sure to do that because when you register your warranty, the length of it doubles from 1 year to 2 years.